Okay, this one happens fast. At the grocery store, you buy a carton of milk for $3.90, a loaf of bread for $1.95, and a bag of cookies for $3.05. Watch uh, my little laser pointer that you're seeing tracking across the screen here. Right here, there's an extra 5 cents on the end of that. And right here, you're 5 cents away from being two full dollars. So if you took that five, since you're adding them together, it doesn't matter whether the 5 cents comes from here or comes from here, it's still all going to get pushed into the same pile to total it up. Okay, so take that five off of there to make this three exactly, put it onto here to make this two exactly. Now you've got three plus two is five. 5 plus this 3 is 8, and then the remaining 90 cents, so $8.90. That's it. The mental math there is to take that 5 cents off, throw it onto there, and then you get two whole number dollar amounts that makes the whole summing of everything pretty